I'm going to open the rear brake calipers so that I can change the brake pads. Since they have that electronic assist parking brake, then you can't do it manually because you will damage your calipers. You would damage the mechanism for the parking brake, so you have to do it from within here. This is the same method that you use for resetting the resetting the service light, but instead of going to assist plus, you go to pad replacement. To get into this menu, I already showed it in another video where you just put the vehicle on the first position, not the run position, and then press the pickup button, the phone pickup button, and then less than a second after you press the OK button, and then you go straight into this menu. Then in here, we'll go to pad replacement. And then OK. I think it's because I have the parking brake on. Let's cancel this. All right, so let's try it again. What I had to do, as you notice, I had to take the parking brake off first, so because then it says position not correct. So I took the parking brake off, and then he went into a fitting position. So it says move to fitting position, OK. The sound you just heard was the pads opening, so that should be already opening, and it says fitting position reach. And then when I'm done, I come back and just press OK, and at that point then everything will be okay. Right now I'm going to change my brake pads. As you can see, the brake pads have been released, so let me see if you can tell right there. You see there's a space, and you see how worn out those are. So I got new brake pads for this, and you can see how there's very little padding left on that one, on the inner one. And I already started taking off the caliper, so that's pretty simple. So it would just be taking this bolt off right here, okay, and just holding that one, preventing that one from spinning. The same thing goes for the bottom one. Taking this bolt off, and then this just bolts out. And this is the electronic module that I was telling you, the electric motor. This motor controls the parking brake. So that's why you have to use the menu inside the cabin so that you can release it. Now this is what it looks like if this is not loose. You can literally you can just pry it like this right there to make sure that the caliper piston goes all the way in, right? And it will work, and it won't damage anything since it's already on the internally, it's already compressed. See, so then it comes out, and then you can see this is the pads. You see how this one has good padding, but the inner one, it's missing a lot already. So I'm going to replace them, and I have this as well, the hardware. Just cleaned this with brake cleaning parts, with brake parts cleaner. And I usually, as a precaution, take this out, see, to check the grease on this. Use caliper grease, just because when I did the one on the other side, one of them was dry, and that's what caused it to wear unevenly. And so I'll put new caliper grease on this and reassemble it. So reassembly is the same thing, and then I'll show you the rest when I'm done. This is the caliper grease, and this is exactly what this is for. And so I'm just going to use a little bit of that on this bolts that I was telling you about. I'm going to clean them first. Put new grease. There it goes. For the top one. See, this one's a little drier, so I clean it as well. Alright, and just remember to remove any excess grease from the boot so that it doesn't get onto your disc. And I got a new brake pads, new hardware, so just like that right here. There you go. And just fit the caliper. Since I need both hands, I'm going to pause the video right here. I got it fitted. I took it out just to show you. So I did, let's see, put it in here this way, the top one first. Okay. Seems to be easier when I have both hands, but today I don't have anyone to assist me with the video. So there it goes. I put the first one, the top one in. You see then you just slide the bottom one in, and then it will just be tightening it. Put the bolts and tighten it, and then we'll go from there. Now I got the brake pads replaced, and Just needs to refit this to the fitting position. To exit the fitting position, it says right there, it says fitting position reached. To exit position, press OK. Okay. I gotta do it like this. There. Can't be running, it has to be on the prior position. There you go, you can hear that. Now press OK to confirm. Now exit. That's it. I can put the e-brake on. Let's see. There it is. Remove it. That's it.